So if you saw the videos that I did on the off-track thoroughbred, this is her. I've had her coming up on 2 months now. She'll be going home soon. We had 4 inches of rain yesterday, so this little pen right here is a muddy mess, but I just wanted to get on her and kind of get started moving her around. I did talk to the owner, and their goals for her is basically just to be a trail horse, just a good, safe trail horse. So I've been putting some trail miles on her, and she's been doing great. She is a really nice horse. She's going to be good for them. So I got on her out here. This is where my step was, and right out behind the barn. I got a couple little trail obstacles there just to kind of let her see what it'd be like to ride in the woods, and we're going to head over there. So I got this little area behind my barn. It's not very big, but there's a few obstacles back here that I can walk her around and give her a sense of what it's like to trail ride. Free there. So I've been crossing water with her, crossing that bridge, going over these logs, giving her some place to go. It's a little bit mushy here, which is okay. We're just walking. I want her to feel that mushiness and understand that it's not going to hurt her. Over the bridge. There we go. So that's a little bit about what I've been doing with her. I have been taking her out. I actually have some trails out back. It's kind of hard to video back there. Show you a little bit about her out of the arena and riding her in the woods. She really likes it. Her ears are up and alert and looking around and looking at the cows back there and other horses, and she really likes it. This is going to be a really nice trail horse. So that's an update on the off-track thoroughbred. I'll put some links up top here or down here. I'm not sure which. About the other videos that I've done with her. And until next time, thank you for watching.